Hi, this is Dr. Mapakshi at Wellness MD Care. Today, I'd like to talk about some of the tips to maintain a healthy gut microbiome. First, let's talk what is gut microbiome. So, there are over 100 trillion bacteria within the intestines in the human body. So, collectively, we call that gut microbiome. A healthy gut microbiome is very important not only for your overall health, it helps prevent chronic diseases like depression, some cancers too. And there have been a lot of studies showing that gut microbiome is not only important for overall health, but now there is evidence that people who have medical issues, how they respond to treatment depends on your gut microbiome. For example, there have been studies in cancer patients receiving chemotherapy. If patients had some beneficial good bacteria in their gut microbiome, they responded well to chemotherapy and they did well in the long run as well. So it's extremely important to maintain a healthy gut microbiome. And the gut microbiome, it's not a fixed thing. It evolves and changes depending on what we eat, our habits, our overall lifestyle. A lot of things go into maintaining a healthy gut microbiome. So when you're born, that's when you start acquiring this gut microbiome. Where you're born, how you're born determines the kind of gut microbiome as well. So, for example, a baby that's born through a normal vaginal delivery has a different gut microbiome compared to a baby who's born by cesarean section. So, the kind of bacteria depends on what you eat, where you're located, and it keeps changing and it's an evolving thing. So, now, what do these bacteria do? So there is a lot of bacteria in your gut, like I said, over 100 trillion. And this is not just bacteria. There can be viruses, there are, fungus, there is all sorts of, parasites. Again, these are when the balance is off, that's when you end up with health issues, right? What you eat determines your gut microbiome. So food is one of the most important things that determines your gut microbiome. So what are some of the things that can help promote a good microbiome? First thing, fiber. Lots of fiber, high fiber containing foods. It is, we call that a prebiotic. So it is basically food for the bacteria. So when you eat a very healthy, colorful diet, which is high in soluble and insoluble fibers, that is going to be food for your bacteria. So they thrive well and you tend to establish a good balance and the microbiome thrive as well. You want to avoid any kind of processed foods because processed foods have preservatives. Preservatives basically can act as something that prevents the growth of bacteria, right? So that's why we use preservatives in the food to make them last longer. And these can actually kill some of the bacteria in your gut, or they can also cause an imbalance where there is a growth of the bacteria that you don't want. So avoiding processed food, avoiding high sugars in the food, and also avoiding artificial sweeteners. So all of these three things can actually select a more bad bacteria in our gut, which can have, again, implications on your overall health. So for example, let's talk about artificial sweeteners. So sugar alcohols are an example of an artificial sweetener. We use that in stuff because they don't get absorbed into your blood. And so we think that the insulin response might not be there like regular sugars. But these can be broken down in the gut by the microbiome. And so it can cause more bloating, abdominal distension and discomfort. And it can also breed the wrong kind of bacteria in the gut. The third thing that is important is making sure that you stay well hydrated. Avoid alcohol and caffeinated drinks because they also have an impact on the gut microbiome. We use alcohol as, to make things sterile. They kill the bacteria. So that's how it affects your gut microbiome as well. And you want to avoid antibiotic use. So antibiotics help if there is a health issue. However, it also kills a lot of bacteria in your gut. So these are some of the things you can do to maintain a healthy gut microbiome. So why are we so focused on the gut microbiome? What do these bacteria actually do? So the gut microbiome, it affects your entire body. It is beneficial for, it breaks down stuff. There are some vitamins that it's produced, that especially vitamin B12 is produced in your gut and it's absorbed there. So vitamins, it helps digest food, it helps to balance mood, it helps to reduce anxiety, it protects you against infections and also some cancers. So your gut microbiome is very important, and these tips will help you maintain a very good gut microbiome. I hope this helps. See you soon.